welcome you all to this biology presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to answer this question right here. So the question reads, the diagram illustrates the structure of a cell. Use it to answer questions that follows. So this is figure 1.5, which is labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have our question 1 right here. The structure that produces the energy required by the cell is labeled dash. So we need to identify the structure that produces the energy needed by the cell. So we have the part labeled 1 right here. So the part labeled 1, this is the Golgi apparatus, and the part labeled 2, this is the mitochondria or mitochondrion. The part labeled 3, this is the cytoplasm. Then the part labeled 4, this is the nucleus, and the part labeled 5, these are the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So we are looking for each one of these parts which is able to produce the energy required by the cell. So the part that produces energy required by the cell is the mitochondria, and it is the part labeled D2 right here. So I have answered our question 1. Let us now move on to our question 2. So this is our question 2. The structure labeled 2 is so the structure labeled 2, we have said this is the mitochondria. Okay, so this is our answer. We now move on to our next question, which is our question 3. State the function of the part labeled V. So the part labeled V right here, we did mention that this is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So what does the rough endoplasmic reticulum do? So its function is just to synthesize, meaning to make, and to forge and to modify the proteins before they are being directed to other parts, or before they are being deposited to other parts for use or for usage. So that is what the rough endoplasmic reticulum does. So I have answered our question 3. We now move on to our question 4. Our question 4 reads, state 2 functions of the part labeled D4. So the part labeled 4 right here, we said this is the nucleus. So what are the 2 functions of the nucleus? Number 1, it controls all cell activities. Okay. Number 2, it stores genetic materials. So these are the 2 functions of the part labeled 4, which is the nucleus. So we have come to the end of our short presentation. Thank you so much, everybody. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. So for those who need online tuitions in biology, mathematics, additional mathematics, or pure sciences, you can WhatsApp me on 0963 676615. Bye bye.